Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a lot going on this past week with my launch and all of that for bemorestyles.com, an online store. I will leave information in the description box for that. But I just wanted to do a quick video. I had to redo a lot of my pants. So I just decided to film this quick video of me turning these bell-bottom pants, high-waisted bell-bottom pants, into some skinny legs. So just stay tuned and watch how I do it. So here, thankfully, the pants already have this like vintage wash. As you can see, I'm figuring out where I want to start taking it in so that I can mark it. Please forgive me and the hole in my shirt. That's ghetto. It's okay. In my bed, I use my bed for stuff like this because it's just like a really good surface for me sometimes. But yeah, don't judge me, y'all. Don't judge me. I was in my element. Anybody that sews or is in fashion and doing their own thing, you already know. I just ripped my shirt doing something stupid. But it's okay. Don't pay that no mind. Let's get into this. So here I am snipping the section so that I know exactly where I marked it. I'm using that as a mark. Please also remember, this is just how I do it, like really quick. I don't like following directions. I like doing things myself. I'm more of a trial and error type of person, and that's what you're gonna see in this video. So just keep that in mind. If you all want like a step-by-step sewing video or something like that, I will definitely keep that in mind for the future. But this specifically is just how I do things. So now I snipped the section where I wanted to start taking in, and then I pinned the part where of how much I'll be taking in, and you'll see that once I flip the pins inside out to start sewing. And just watch that. Also, always remember, if you are a new beginner at sewing, you always sew from the inside out. So just watch me do that, and we're gonna get into the next part. So here I have now pinned the pins up, and I'm going to flip the pins inside out, just prepping them for where I'm getting ready to sew down the pin exactly where I took it in and pinned it. So that's what I'm doing right here. Woo, child. It's the setup for me. So we got this thing on Speedy Gonzalez, child, because this thing right here was a good 20 minutes. But here I'm cutting and snipping and just threading my needle, all that good stuff. I'm about to set it up under there, figure out exactly where I'm about to sew, and then I'm sewing. And like I said, this is a trial and error thing for me. I always do trial and error. I'd rather do that than do all the extra measurements when it comes to like just my stuff that I'm reconstructing or remixing or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, you're gonna see me taking stuff out a lot. I just don't like following directions. I like doing my own thing, child. So, and as you can see, I've taken one leg in and I'm just seeing exactly where here, exactly how much I have taken in and if it's the right size. And of course I'm going to get rid of all the extra fabric later. I'm just checking here to make sure they're going to be even. I have one inside out and the other is outside in. And I'm just checking to see if that's the way I want it to go. Now we about to get into it and get back going on this other leg. And we're gonna start sewing. And I use a tape measure once I've done one leg and it's the right the leg part is the right circumference, I guess is a good word for me to use. Once it is the right measurement for my leg, I take my tape measure and I measure how much I took in and where I started sewing so I can mark that on the other pant leg. And wrapping it on up, wrapping it up real quick, snipping and cutting all that extra thread, making sure just how I desire for it to be, period. Ooh, and I think that's what I said, period. So get up. Let's get into it. Bada bing, bada bang. Sorry, let me stop with my fake New York accent. And that's on that, period. Booty popping. And that's how we do what it do. Wow, my butt looks so good. Oh my God. I'll see y'all later.